Hey, good morning everyone on Facebook. Just wanted to check in here from Pro PDR in Colorado Springs. We are about to start on a project. We have this really sweet looking Jeep Gladiator in here right now. This is a pretty rad overlanding rig. And so the start here is we took the tailgate off. It's a pretty extreme dent, and so we want to work this horizontally rather than vertically. And
I was gonna put it right here, but if you think this is better.
Here we've got a tailgate. It is aluminum, which makes the repair twice as hard. So this is just the start on the top body line here. The crease runs all the way down the center, and here's our extreme part. This is going to polish out really well when we're done. The scratches there. This body line is pretty destroyed, so we're going to be rebuilding that. Made a couple of creases down the center here. The impact is pretty intense, so there is some slight cracked paint here on the bottom. When we finish pushing this up, we're going to do a really good job of touching that up, sealing it from the elements, especially with this aluminum. It's not going to rust anyway, but we want to keep that protected regardless. But it's at the very bottom there, and the client wasn't too concerned with that. He just wants the main part of the dent out, and then this touched up. So we will be doing some video before, after, and during the repair to just kind of show you the process. So keep your eyes posted for that, and we will talk to you soon. You guys have a great day. Happy Tuesday.